films that help provide context to today's public affairs issues.
West, toward the setting sun. The king and his retinue are on a trip that will take them halfway around the world. Their destination is Washington, the capital city of the United States. Their Majesties, accompanied by the United States Chief of Protocol, land first in the United States at Langley Field in the state of Virginia. Next day, Their Majesties travel to Washington, the capital of the United States. A gentle rain falls on the city as our king joins United States President John F. Kennedy for a ceremony of welcome on the lawn of the presidential residence. Together, the two leaders review the Honor Guard. It represents all 5 services of the United States: the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Marine Corps, and the United States Coast Guard. His Majesty and the President express their mutual respect. Although distant from each other, our countries are as one in our people's desire to maintain independence, to live in freedom, and to look to the future with hope. We Afghans know the meaning of bravery and loyalty, of service and devotion to one's country. We understand this respect for fallen heroes, and our beloved sovereign shares the feeling of his subjects. Solemnly, he visits this place of the dead. Here rests in honored glory an American soldier known but to God. In behalf of all the people of Afghanistan, His Majesty places a wreath of flowers at the tomb of America's unknowns. During their second day in Washington, Their Majesties receive the honors of the city. The Capitol holds a parade to pay its respects to our King and Queen. His Majesty rides slowly through the city's streets with President Kennedy. In scarlet tunics, the United States Marine Corps band makes up part of the colorful procession. A common sight in the United States is a typical supermarket, where American people do much of their weekly shopping for food. Customers serve themselves from the shelves and wheel their selections in carts to a cashier's checkout counter. Such labor and time-saving innovations in food distribution help reduce the cost of a housewife's food basket. The efficiency of agriculture, of transportation, of marketing, and of refrigeration all contribute to the variety and high quality of the food sold. Fresh fruits and vegetables may be had all year long. South of Los Angeles lies another park that resembles no other on earth, Disneyland. It has rides and exhibits and shows. It has trains and planes and bands and balloons. It has almost everything you can imagine.